Azalea bush is in full bloom in spring, and by happen chance, I was looking inside the bush and saw there was a nest there. At that time, I didn't know what type of bird it was, but I have a handbook called Birds of Georgia Field Guide by Stan Tequila, and I was able to find the bird that was there, and it is called brown thrasher. And we saw that in the nest they had four eggs. That was several weeks ago, and they hadn't hatched at that time yet. But let me tell you a little bit about the bird. It's called brown thrasher, and it's a prodigious songster, often in a thick shrub, wherein it sings the deliberate music phrases, repeating each twice. Male has large documented song repertoire of all North American birds with over 1,100 songs. And here's the one bird, baby bird that survived. Not sure what happened to the other three eggs, but it looks like it might have been born about a week ago, maybe. But it doesn't have any feathers. It looked like some kind of a fuzzy, feathery kind of feather on it. And let's see, what else do we know about this bird? It has 1,100 songs it can sing, and it says it's more abundant in central Great Plains than anywhere else in North America. But it looks like in Georgia, this is also. And here's a little video we shot. It was hard to shoot because of the flowers and the bush, but it looks like the baby is mostly asleep. And here's a mama bird. And I seen in the morning, mama bird goes into the yard looking for food, and it searches the food and it brings it. And in the morning and other times when I peek into the nest, it looks like it is sitting on the nest, keeping the baby bird warm. And it was a surprise that we found in our yard. It was really nice to see. And if you like our video, please subscribe and please give thumbs up if you find this entertaining and hopefully educational. And thanks for watching the video, and hope you like the baby bird brown thresher. Thank you.